B984, a bit short of 100,000 miles. Should I be looking at new shocks if I install your lowering springs? Not unless you think that your stock shocks and struts are blown. If the car feels relatively stable and well controlled and not overly bouncy or wallowy, typically a blown shock will that tire, if it's really blown, can bounce as you go down the freeway, and you may not see it or feel it, but a friend driving next to you would be able to see it. Or you could set up like a GoPro with a mount on each of your tires to see. But I think driving with a friend would be the quickest and easiest thing. But in general, we find that the factory shocks and dampers on these cars last a long time. And usually 100,000 miles is not a problem if the car hasn't been abused or hasn't had any big impacts or hasn't hit a lot of big potholes. So if you feel like the car rides nice and still handles well, but you just want to tighten things up, then I don't think you should go out of your way to replace them. If you have some extra money, then sure, definitely put some fresh parts on there, but they're not cheap. The factory dampers on these cars are quite high quality already.
Yep.
So it's hard to know. If you're local, feel free to come in to our ZTF automotive centers, and we'll be happy to inspect for you.